When a relationship breaks, it's not just two people who separate. It's two hearts learning how to live without what they thought was forever. You start replaying memories, questioning your worth, wondering if you could have done more. But healing doesn't begin with answers. It begins with letting go of the wrong things that keep you broken. So today, I'll tell you 5 things you should never do when your heart is shattered, because some mistakes keep you in pain longer than the breakup itself. Let's begin. Don't beg them to stay, because love that needs begging isn't love, it's fear of being alone. When someone truly wants to stay, they don't need convincing. Respect yourself enough to let silence speak for you. Begging doesn't heal hearts, it breaks your dignity. 2. Don't stalk their life online. Every scroll reopens wounds that were starting to close. Healing requires distance, not digital reminders. You can't move forward while you're still watching their highlight reel. Peace begins when curiosity ends. 3. Don't try to replace them too quickly. Jumping into something new doesn't erase the old pain, it just hides it. Take time to rebuild yourself before sharing your heart again. Healed love feels different from distracted love. 4. Don't blame yourself for everything. It's easy to believe you were the problem, but relationships break because two people stop meeting each other halfway. Learn from it. Don't punish yourself for it. Self-forgiveness is where real strength begins. 5. Don't close your heart forever. Pain changes you, but don't let it harden you. The right person will never make you question your worth. Stay open, not for them, but for yourself. Broken doesn't mean unworthy, it means wiser. If you're not following the Wisdom Realm885, you might not see me again. Follow now, and let's walk this journey of growth together. And tell me in the comments, which of these 5 mistakes do you think hurts the most after a breakup?